Look, I'm going to be real with you. That dream job you're studying for? AI might eat it for breakfast before you even graduate. Stanford found entry-level software jobs dropped 20% since 2022. Yeah, 20. While older engineers are chilling, fresh grads are getting absolutely demolished. Companies looked at AI and said, why hire 5 juniors when ChatGPT works for free? Here's the hilarious part. Even ML engineers aren't safe. The people building AI are getting replaced by AI. It's like watching a chef get fired because his robot learned to cook better. OpenAI's boss literally said we might need fewer software engineers soon. NVIDIA's CEO thinks coding is basically dead, and some AI expert predicts 99% unemployment in 5 years. Wild, right? But hold up. Before you run screaming to trade school, understand this. The people getting wrecked are the ones doing basic tasks. Writing simple code, copying examples from Stack Overflow, doing what the textbook says. That's AI territory now. You want to survive. Stop trying to compete with robots at robot things. Get stupid good at using AI tools yourself. A developer with ChatGPT beats ChatGPT alone every time. Learn the weird human stuff. Creativity. Understanding messy business problems. Explaining tech to confused clients. Emotional intelligence that doesn't sound like a corporate handbook. Never stop learning or you're cooked. The skills you learned last year might be irrelevant tomorrow. Take courses, experiment with new tools, follow what's happening. Speaking of which, I put together 20 ultimate AI prompts that'll actually make you dangerous as a beginner programmer. Links in the description, and it's completely free. Grab it before you waste another month Googling basic syntax like it's 2015. Now don't be the person who goes, I only do backend development, when backend development becomes one button click. Think problems, not job titles. Be water, not ice. Your advantage isn't coding faster than AI. It's knowing when the AI screwed up. It's asking the right questions. It's combining AI output with actual human judgment. That's your survival strategy.